Hi, this is Jack with RV Cruising with the Kings, and I'm doing just a real short little video this time on, it's a cooking episode, and I'm going to attempt to make a barbecue sauce. Hi, this is Jack.
And I'm Karen.
And you are RV Cruising with the Kings. So this is a family recipe from my son-in-law, and so we'll give it a shot and see what we got here. Start out with, and the only thing I have in the pot now, because I decided to make this video, is 10.5 ounces of Worcestershire sauce. Has 16 ounces of grape jelly. That's not coming out. All right, we're going to do 10.5 ounces of red wine vinegar. I'll let it test down a little bit so you won't see me shaking forever. One tablespoon of garlic powder. Tablespoon of black pepper. That'll probably get me sneezing. I haven't. Eight ounces of mustard. Eight ounces of mustard. Handy dandy scale. That's a quarter pound of brown sugar, which is not enough. I think it's a 2-pound bag. So I need to get 3/4 of a pound out of this. Almost. Perfect. Okay, so that was 1 pound of brown sugar. And we want 1 tablespoon of cumin. We're going to put in 1 gallon of ketchup. I'm not using the expensive ketchup. I'm sure it'll be fine. There's a half gallon. Okay. Hey, that's it. It says here you can put a little water in there for consistency, but stir this up and see what we look like before we put it on the cooktop. Get some heat to it. Smells pretty good though. Not bad. All right, I'm gonna put this on low heat, let it warm up, and I think I'm gonna can them. So I'll put them in some mason jars and I'll prepare those, and so they'll be ready. When this is ready, that'll be ready, and cross your fingers again. Boy, so far I've been in one lucky dude doing all this stuff. We'll see if this turns out too. See y'all in a little bit. All right, well, I've warmed up the bottles here, 180 degrees, let them sit in there for a while. Got a little thing here to help cool my jar. Got that one filled. Everything's hot. The sauce is, ouch. The sauce is hot. Hot bottle. Warm sauce. And a lid. We'll set it off to the side to cool. As it cools, that should shrink and seal that jar. And I'm here to tell you that sauce is really good barbecue sauce. So hope y'all enjoyed this this little brief video here. As you can see, it doesn't take any time to make this, and it took more time because of all the snow and ice outside. I had to run to the store because I didn't have enough Worcestershire sauce. Well, they were out of it at Walmart, and they were out of it at Kroger's, and I ended up going to a little local store called Harps, and I thought they were out, and I asked the guy about it, and he got down on all fours, and he reached way back to the back of the bottom shelf and pulled out 3, so I bought 2 of them. So I didn't know that was such a commodity, but apparently it is. But everything else was easy. You just got to make sure you have the ingredients, and incredibly easy to make and exceptionally good. Well, from Jack and Karen and RV Cruising with the Kings, we hope y'all have a great week and don't get left behind.